We're going up. I think this is what they call like the Reefton Spur or something. And look at that silver Beemer, eh? So nice. And I've paired up with Dip here. And now we're going to go to the top and get some footage of the ride. He's coming up behind me. Yeah, he's coming up behind me. Good. Yeah, I think this is what they call the Reefton something or other. Nice. Toes on the pegs, so I can put weight on the peg. So if I'm going left, weight on the outside of the peg. And if I go right, I put weight on the outside of the peg. Weight on the outside as I take a left dip. Weight on the outside on the left peg as I take a right dip. And then weight on the right peg as I take a left dip. Peg as I take a left dip, right on the left peg as I take a right dip, right on the right peg as I take a left dip, right on the left peg as I take a right dip. Oh, look, we're lying down for sure. Definitely looks like we're lying down. Nice run. Weight on the right peg as we take a left dip. Weight on the left peg on the outside as we take a right dip. That's in case. So that's in case your bike slides. Like if I come around here and I slide out, as long as I've got my foot out on the outside peg, it'll balance any slide. It'll balance it out. It's physics, guys. It's physics. But if you're a dirt rider, you especially do that, because dirt, in particular, you can slide, right? And so in dirt you do that. You probably don't need to do it so much in tarmac, but it's a good precautionary. It's a good habit. Like once you learn how to ride dirt, a lot of the safety stuff you learn on dirt, when you transfer it to the road, it's like bonus stuff. It's pretty cool. Alright, I've got a whole line of attackers behind me, and I've got to look for an opening now. The question is, where's the opening? Oh, I think it's there. Here it is. They're letting us go. Letting us go. Okay, good. Nice. Out left peg. And then the right peg. And then the left peg. And the right peg. I haven't been out in this sort of hilly stuff for a while, so I'm just, as I'm talking to you guys, I'm kind of also reminding myself of the motions, because it is a habit, and you've got to form the right habits, and you can forget all the good habits pretty quickly. So I'm just trying to keep a good habit in, which is weight on the outside peg. Oh, look look at that view, eh? Oh, schmacking. Oh, schmackaroonies. Oh, there's Dip Fear. I'm supposed to keep an eye on him. We're supposed to be teamed up. He's coming up on the tail. Wait on the left peg. Wait on the right peg. Oh, the other thing you need to remember is keep your shoulder away from the right lane. Like there could be a truck coming, right? So pick your lines. Sometimes there are logging trucks out here and shit, you know, you gotta pick your lines. Make sure your lines are safe. Body over and throw the body over and throw the body over and throw the body over. Keep the shoulder out of the inside of the other lane in case it's a big truck or fast four-wheel drive, something super fast car or other. Hardly touched the brakes too. I've kind of used my gears as the all-knowing, all-going thing. Oh, that's a nice slow one, that one. Did you see that? Oh, he crossed lanes. Did you see that? I got that on footage. He crossed lanes. Alright, so we've got some sports riders here. Going downhill, so I've got the lower gear. Keep the shoulder out of that corner in case you get some speedy Gonzales like that one. Oh, here's a black spot. Accident black spot. Another nice bend. And another nice bend. Oh, some good bends. And there's another nice bend. And there's another nice bend. putting you to sleep yet. Stick to the outside and around. Oh, nice. Rollies, eh? Around. 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 Have I got you to sleep yet? They're nice and easy. I was just talking to my biggest fan and he was acknowledging what I said about 70%. So, you know, when you're writing this sort of stuff, any stuff really, you need to go 70% what you think you're capable of, you know? You need to go that, 50 is a bit too much, you know, that's being too conservative, I reckon. 60, that's just above conservative, that's not really great for anyone, it's boring. 70 is pushing it just a bit more than conservative, you see? So you just want to be conservative, but just a bit more than conservative, and that should be about your threshold, which is up to you what you think conservative is, you know? So it depends on your writing ability. So yeah, around these parts you need to be just a bit above conservative, and if you go too much above conservative you start going into the risk zone, and you don't want to be anywhere near the risk zone around these sort of things, because no one wins it. So down that hill there's only one chance to go down that hill, and that's it, just one chance. One chance to fall off the edge, that's all you get. You don't start again, you don't get 3 lives, you just get that one. This is a real game, it's just one life to go off the hill. So yeah, coming up to 13 minutes now of really good road. Road 5 this is called, Road 5. Dip it in, and dip it round, and dip it down, dip it around. Jeez, I love blowing this thing down, it's so nice. Wow, I'm using the throttle to just weave it in and out, it's pretty cool. It's nice. Outside of the left lane. Okay, Nick. Okay, Nick. Cool. Weaving. Ah, there's the open bit. Oh, now we've all got it. We're all taking it. There you go. There's the open bit we're looking for. I'll have to bring you back.